Hello everyone and welcome back to FunMathology. Now today's topic is what are adjacent angles and what are opposite angles. So today we'll learn about adjacent angles and opposite angles, and always remember that opposite angles are also known as vertically opposite angles. Today we'll learn their definitions and what are the key differences between these two types of angles and what are the relationship between these both types. So by the end of this lecture, you will be able to identify these angles instantly in your home, in your textbooks, in your examination papers. Okay, so let's start, and let's start with what are adjacent angles. See, two angles are adjacent if they share a common vertex, right? So look at this figure. Look at this geometric figure. Let's repeat this definition once more. Two angles are adjacent if they share a common vertex and a common arm, but their non-common arms lie on opposite side of the common arm. So see this angle AOB, so angle AOB and angle BOC are adjacent angles. So angle AOB, this angle, and angle BOC are adjacent angles. Why? Because see, they are sharing a common vertex. See, go through the features. Let's go through the features one by one and let's compare this. Share a common vertex O. So it is sharing a common vertex O. They are sharing a common arm OB. So this is the common arm OB. They are not overlapping while they are just located next to each other. But always remember, their measures are not always equal. So the angle AOB is not equal to BOC always. They might be, where in case of angle bisection, they are equal. In angle bisection, they are equal. So let's recap this once more. So two angles are adjacent if they share a common vertex and a common arm, but they are non-common arms. So what are the non-common arms? OA and OC are non-common arms and they lie opposite to the common arms OB. Got it? So here angle AOB and angle BOC are adjacent angles. Why? Because they share a common vertex O, share a common arm OB. They are not overlapping each other. They are located next to each other. Got it? And always remember, their measures are not always equal, but in case of angle bisections, they are equal. So very simple. And let's come to the next one. What are opposite angles, or always known as vertically opposite angles, otherwise also known as vertically opposite angle? Let's go through the definition once. See, when two straight lines intersect each other, when two straight lines here AB and CD are intersecting at O, this O is known as the point of intersection. Okay, so when two straight lines intersect, the opposite angles are formed are vertically opposite. See, so here they are vertically opposite. For example, here in this figure, angle AOC is equal to angle BOD. So this angle is equal to this angle. Got it? Again, so there will be two set of opposite angles, vertically opposite angles. Here, this angle means angle BOC is equal to this angle, means angle AOD. So we have two set of vertically opposite angles. AOC and BOD are opposite angles, and AOD and BOC are opposite angles. So this is opposite angle and these are opposite angles. Okay, always remember, see, go through the features. They are always equal. Opposite angles are always equal. They share a common vertex, here in this case O, but not common arm. They do not share a common arm. See, for example, this and this, there are no common arms but common vertex. Got it? And always remember, there are certain differences. So we'll go through the differences. So let's recap once more. So what are opposite angles? So when two straight lines intersect each other, they form opposite angles, and they are vertically opposite angles. In this case, see the vertically opposite angles, like here in AOC and BOD are opposite angles, and here angle BOC and angle AOD are opposite angles. Got it? So this is the basic definition of adjacent angles and opposite angles, and these are the respective features. Okay, so let's go through the differences between the adjacent and opposite angles. See, we know for say, let's see the first feature, the common arm. So for adjacent angle we have common arms, but for opposite angle we do not have common arms. Do we have common vertex for both the cases? Yes, we have common vertex, right? Equality. Now, are adjacent angles equal? No, not always. Okay, for opposite angles, always. Sorry. Formation by sharing one arm and by intersecting lines here in the opposite angles. Now let's go through some exercises. See, you can get such kind of an exercise where angle AOC is 60 degree and angle BOC is 20 degree. What is the value of AOB? So this is 60 and this is 20. Go ahead and subtract this. So you will get 40 degree. Got it? So you might get this kind of exercises in your examination paper, which is very easy. Angle AOC is 60 degree, angle BOC is 20 degree. So what is the value of angle AOB? So subtract this. You can also get this kind of exercise in your examination paper. Like for example, here AB and CD are two intersecting lines, right? Intersecting at O. Now only one value is given in your, let's say, question paper. Like here in 60 degree, this is 60 degree. Angle AOC is 60 degree. This value I do not know X, this value I do not know Y, and this value I do not know is Z. Now in your examination paper, you might get find out the value of X, Y, Z, in terms of this particular question. So see, this is very simple in solving this kind of questions. Once you know this angle AOC, see angle AOC and angle BOD, that is Y. These are vertically opposite angle. So Y will be what? So Y will be 60 degree. Because angle AOC, angle BOD are vertically opposite angle, hence they are equal. Okay, so what will be this value? X. See, this CD is a straight line, hence the value of angle DOC, this total angle is 180 degree. We know this angle AOC is 60 degree. So what is the value of X? So X will be 180 degree minus 60 degree, that is equal to 120 degree. So you got the value of X. Now again apply the same solution and same strategy. See, this angle DOA and angle BOC, X and Z are vertically opposite angles, so hence they are equal. So Z will also be 120 degree. Got it? So this is in a nutshell about adjacent angles and opposite angles. So you have seen the definition, you have seen the features. Pause the video, write it down somewhere, and you might also get questions such as this. Okay, now you know how to solve them. Okay, thanks students, thanks for watching. We'll soon meet. Bye bye.